of everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Vital, who eat my bread? Daddy, you know, so me eat it though. Yeah, man, me the kind of hungry man, so me just eat 2 slices out of it. Oh, I saw you drop it now. Little boy, your face and my buy bread in your phone. Eat, little boy. Your face and man just buy bread phone, just like, eat.
That no make no sense.
Little boy, don't eat back my bread, little boy. Anytime put bread. When I buy the bread in the phone, eat. I'll take this thing for you. Don't touch my things, them little boy.